Hello and welcome to 2 Cents Tuesdays, where I pick a leadership topic and share my 2 cents worth in the hope that it might support you in your efforts to be the best boss you can be. Today I want to talk about the power of a thank you. Think about the last time someone genuinely thanked you for something you did for them. How did it make you feel? Appreciated, noticed, happy, encouraged to do it again? Imagine how much good regular thank yous can do for your team and the individuals within it. I know it sounds like common sense, but I can tell you from experience that many leaders forget to say it. I worked with someone for 3 years and can't remember a time when he genuinely thanked me for the work I was doing. When I eventually got a new boss, I was almost shocked when she started thanking me because I just wasn't used to it. Here's the thing. When people feel appreciated and recognized for their work, they'll keep pulling out all stops to give you their best. Now, when it comes to delivering thank yous, avoid the simple email reply with just those 2 words in it. Feels like a token and it creates another email in someone's inbox. Pick up the phone or walk up and thank them in person. If that's not doable and email or SMS is the only option, try making it a bit more meaningful. For example, thank you for making my life easier, or thank you for putting all those hours into delivering this work. It did not go unnoticed. And an emoji or a GIF never goes astray, or you could also try a short video message. Which one of your team members could use a meaningful thank you today? And how could you do it a bit differently so they know you really mean it? Let us know how it goes in the comments. Thank you for listening. It means a lot to me that you've taken some time out of your day, and I hope I've given you some helpful tips.